Today I do have a helper. What is your name?
Sophia.
Sophia. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, welcome to Love It by Andrea, and today we are going to unbox the Allure Beauty Box of April. So after Jaclyn Hill and Nick tutorials, this time for the month of April, it was the turn of Carli Bybel to help Allure Beauty Box to curate their boxes. The first product, it is from Natasha Denona eyeshadow in the shade Bronzage. The second product, it's from Luxie brand, the Makeup Brush 231. The third product, it is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is a liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. It's a beautiful nude pink. The fourth product, it is from Laura Geller, and it is waterproof gel eyeliner pencil. The shade is going to vary from box to box, but I got the deep purple. I think that's gonna be perfect for my next makeup look using products from my subscription boxes. The first product, it is from Briogeo, and it is the Farewell Freeze. This is basically a blow dry protectant and heat protectant to help your hair to cut off like the drying time, and also to help you with the frizz. The last product, it is from Vita Liberata. It's actually a bronze cloth that you're gonna have to apply it and wait like around 4 to 8 hours for the full effect. And so people are saying for you to use it before bedtime, so by the time that you wake up, you're gonna have a full bronze. They also say that it doesn't smell, so that it's a plus. I have to try this and let you guys know. So this is all for the Allure Beauty Box, and let me know in the comments below which product do you want me to try on my next makeup subscription edition makeup look video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye!